What's going on, y'all? We got some wood ear mushrooms and some green peas, and we finna make some pasta, y'all. Meatless Monday, back again. But anyway, y'all, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing we need to do, we need to open up our wood ear mushrooms, get them into a bowl, cause we need to rehydrate these, y'all. We need to rehydrate them. Now this is what they look like when you take them out the bag, nice and dry. And the only thing we need to do to rehydrate them, get us some boiling hot water and pour over the top and let them steep for about 30 minutes. Now while that's going on, we're gonna get some butter into our pan. And add in our onions. Get that a little shake. And of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit it with a little salt and pepper. Got to bring that flavor out, y'all. Gotta bring it out. Go ahead and give that a good mix so that salt and pepper can get all over them onions and they can start enjoying each other's flavor. And once our onions sweat down a bit, we're gonna go ahead and add in our green peas and a knob of butter. Into our pasta water, gonna add in our pasta. All the while making sure our green peas and onions are mixing up well and doing their thing. Now our 20 minutes have passed and we gonna get our mushrooms in, y'all. Look at them, don't they look different? They really look like an ear or something. They tasty too, y'all. They got a nice texture to them. If you never had them, you gotta try them at least once, y'all. At least once. After we get our mushrooms in, we're gonna get our pasta in. Now we only let our pasta cook for approximately 10 minutes. We didn't want it to be all the way done because we want it to finish in the sauce with the mushrooms and the peas and onions. So we're gonna give that a quick mix around. Now like I say, this pasta is a little bit, I guess, undercooked from al dente. Into this, we're gonna add in our pasta water to help cooking the pasta, finish cooking the pasta, and also finish cooking the peas and the mushrooms. Now to this, we're gonna add in some heavy cream, a half a cup, and a half a cup of the cheese of your choice. Here I use me some mozzarella. And we're gonna give this a little mixy mix. For those that know me and follow my channel, y'all know how I am about my mozzarella. Love it. But anyway, we're gonna let this simmer for about another 5 to 6 minutes. And we ready to eat, y'all. We ready to eat. So let's go ahead and play it up then. Oh yeah, I'm finna eat good, y'all. Smell good, looking good and tasty. Oh yeah. Let me get this bite together, y'all. Let me get this bite. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Look at it. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. And oh yeah, I enjoyed myself, y'all. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.